financial crisis, when everything was expensive, you had to multiply everything by 7 to get the right price of what you're paying. We were all homesick, perpetually hungry. However, one day, Brother Siang came home very excited, and he said, I found this place that serves free Chinese food. It is the best thing for us. And so, a group of us, we left. We went to this restaurant. In the restaurant, we heard sounds of people dealing cards, collecting chips. I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. Now, to be fair, the food at that place was great. However, it was far from cheap. In fact, it was not free at all. It was the most expensive Chinese food that we ever had. Thanks to Brother Siang. Okay, but enough of jokes. The truth of the matter is, we all look upon you with great respect, Siang. You have shown us time and again how to never give up when presented with challenges. When we all got our job offers, and we couldn't get a job offer in the UK, he ventured further. He found himself an opportunity in ICI in China. Back then, that was not a very glorious thing. Of course, we all know that China is the place to be now. But Wei Xiang, you accepted the opportunity wholeheartedly, and you turned it into a chance where you could later use it to build a foundation of creating Unique Feed, which is your current business. When Wei Xiang first started, wanted to start his internet business, I could still recall how some of our friends would react to his proposition. Huh? Ken, man? You want to sell phones on the internet? But Wei Xiang never let anyone put him down. And you proved your skeptics wrong with your self-belief and the never die approach to things. Thank you for showing us how it's done. We are very grateful and we always look up to you for that. And on behalf of the housemates, I've also been told to come here and thank you for cooking for us for many years. Finally, to Pui, thank you very much for standing behind Wei Xiang, behind our brother for so many years, patiently supporting him, for without which I have no shadow of doubt he would not be the man he is today. And finally, on behalf of your friends Wei Xiang, no flamboyant words, we wish you and Pui many years of happy married life. Thank you.